Hi dear students, I will go for one of the next concept. I am discussing some of the neat and as well as some basic concept in chemistry. In that that is valence electron. Most of them I seen they are very difficult to calculate the valence electron. If you don't know the valence electron calculation, or you don't know how many number of valence electron, then it is very difficult to go for the oxidation numbers and go for the unpaired electrons, and everything will be difficult. That's why I am making this video. It's very short video. What is meant by valence electron? And here valence electron, most of them are very getting confusing. I will tell you very simply. For example, this is what on nucleus and this is what orbital. In that orbital, electrons are revolving. If it is K shell, the electrons will be 2 electron. In this K shell, how many electrons will fill? 2 electrons it will be. If next electron you take this next shell, in this next shell there will be total 8 electron will be filled. You see here everyone are getting confused. How many number of valence electrons? The calculation that is there. If maximum number of electron will be 2, but there will be 1 electron. Therefore, if 1 electron is there, this is called as valency. What is meant by valence electron right now? Valence electrons means unpaired electron or outermost electron. Next, this how to define this valence electron? I will tell you. If, for example, I will go for the one more example. That if, for example, this shell 2 electrons are present. Next shell there will be 8 electrons are present. Next shell it containing only 1 electron. You see here this shell contains 2 electron. Okay, sufficient. It is filled. Next shell contain 8 electron. It is also filled. But next electron consists of 8 electron, but 16 electron, but it contain only 1 electron. Therefore, this is called as valence electron. This is called as what? Valence electron. Now we have to define valence electron. Very simple, dear students. Valence electrons means the outermost electron present in an atom. The valence electron is defined as the number of unpaired electron, number of electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom. For example, this is outermost electron. Therefore, we have to define valence electron. Valence electron is defined as the number of electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom or molecule. Therefore, in this atom consists of valence electron how much? The valence electron consists of only 1. And this is what you calculate which is atom here. The atom is first 2 electron and next 8 10, next this one 11. Therefore 11 atomic number means it is sodium. Therefore sodium consists of how many valence electron? Only 1 valence electron. Therefore, if you want to tell the valence electron, must and should be we have to know the electron configuration. If you don't know the electron configuration, it is very difficult to tell the valency of an atom. And even though if you don't know how to write the electron configuration, I will tell you one shortcut. Without writing the electron configuration, we have to tell the valency of an atom. So I will tell you some shortcuts in that. Go for that. In that periodic table, we know that periodic table, these are what first group element, first group element, and they are called as what a second group element. Whenever first group element means valence outermost electrons are 1. For example, this hydrogen outermost it consists of only 1 electron. Yes, right. Next lithium you take. Lithium means first electron there are 2 electrons are filled. Next outermost contain only 1 electron. Therefore, all first group elements containing 1 valence electron. All first group consist of valence electron will be 2. Next, all second group elements. For example, beryllium consists of 1s2, 2s2. Therefore, all outermost electron how much? For example, 1s2 means their electron filled 2. Next electron will be 2. Therefore, these 2 are outermost electron because there are 8 electrons irಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, but only 2 electrons are. Therefore, we call as a valence electron. Therefore, all second group element consist of valence electron will be 2 electrons. Therefore, dear students, it's very easy right now. All first group elements valence electron will be 1. All second group element valence electron will be 2. It's common. You go for the hydrogen, lithium, whatever it may be. All sodium, all potassium, rubidium, cesium, all first group element or valence electron will be first 1. And second group element will be 2. Beryllium, magnesium, all these elements valence electron will be 2. Next I will go for the one more that D group element. Sorry, P block element. After that I will go for the discussing that P block element. This P block element, you see here, this is 13th group, 14th group, 15th group, 16th group, 17, 18. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 group element. Yes, right. You see here, 13, you have to minus, 13 means it has 3. 14, 4. 15, 5. 16, you see here, 6. 17, you have to 7, it is very difficult compared to 1. Yes, right. Therefore, it has valence electron 7 or 1. I will tell you why 1. And next 18 means 0. You see here, how to take this valence electron. This is what 13th means valence electron. These are what valence electron. 13th group element, for example, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. Next carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. You see here everyone, this beryllium is 13th element. 13th, you see here, this hydrogen, helium, lithium, and next beryllium. Yes, right. Beryllium is 5th element, right? 5th element. But 5th element in electron configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Yes, right. Electron configuration we are writing, and this is what shell number of electrons are filled. There are 3 electrons in the outermost. Therefore, all these 3 electrons are valence electron, right? Therefore, all 13th group element consist of 3 elements. Almost all. You take all the element in 13th group, they are valence electron. Beryllium. Next, aluminium. All outermost consist of 3 electrons. Therefore, they are called as 13th group element. Yav bardana dear students, yellow valence electron 3. That's very simple. Next, otherwise we go for that one. Next one, carbon. Carbon, next silicon. All these electron valence electron will be 4. How to take this valence electron? This all 13, 14, 15 group is there, right? 13 minus 10 because first shell 2, second shell 8, 10. 10 electrons will fill. Outermost after 10 they are all valence electron. Therefore 3 valency, 4 valency, 5 valency, 6 valency, 7 valency, 8 valency. Therefore the valence electron calculation is also very important. Why this I am discussing this concept today? It is very important for the number of bond pair lone pair calculation. If you don't know which element we have valence electron, for example, most of them don't know phosphorus. Phosphorus belongs to the nitrogen. Nitrogen family means it has valence electron will be 5. Valence electron will be 5. I am discussing that PCl5, number of valence electron. For example, PCl5. I discussed this in previous video. 5 valence electron. Therefore, 5 chlorine will be binds. Therefore, total 5 bond pair. That's why for this we do if the required valence electron concept, right? That's why I am making this video. Valence electron. Valence electron means outermost electron. Therefore 13 all group element. Next 18th group element. 18th group element there is no valence electron because you see here this is first electron, 2 electrons will fill. Next 8 electrons will fill, 8 electron. Next again 8 electrons means this completes the shell. Therefore this shell completes means the outermost neon, all helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, all 18th group element, all inert gases, there is no valency electron, dear students. Next in this way we are calculating the valency electron. If you know the groups, which group element, it is very easy to tell the valency. And next I will tell you one shortcut for 2p P block element. 2pn, sorry, 2s2, next 2px. How to find the valence electron? If you write the electronic configuration, or just I will write here, you see here, how to find the valence electron of this P block element. P block element general electronic configuration. I will go for that general electronic configuration. ns2 npx. How to find the valence electron? valence electron will be outermost. For example, outermost I will take that 2 plus x, 2 plus x, 2 plus x. Outermost 2 plus x is called as valence electron. For example, I will go for the nitrogen. Nitrogen means I will write nitrogen after carbon. It will be nitrogen 1s2 2s2 1s2 2s2 2p. Nitrogen means it is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen. Nitrogen means 7th, right? 1s2 2s2. Next one will be 2p3. 2p3. Therefore I am telling that ns2 and npx, in that 2 plus x, 2 means this one 2 and x means this outermost. Therefore outermost will, this is what this one 2 plus 3. This is the x right now. This is what our x. You see here, this is what our x. This is a 2. Therefore 2 plus x means 3. Therefore 2 plus 3, therefore 5. Therefore nitrogen having valence electron will be 5. This is what I am given in the very shortcut point. Therefore it is very important for calculating the valency electron. Next one, all d block elements. D block element calculations. D block element. Next one, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. You see here this valence electron calculation here also very important. This scandium consists of one valence electron. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next here 0. Understood? This is our valence electron. Use scandium consists of one valency, 2, 3, 4 like this it will be. Next other scandium family, they are all again one. Scandium, how we are telling this one? Outermost organic electron configuration argon, okay, 3d1 4s2, 3d1 4s2. Therefore these scandium, titanium, vanadium, all they are consist of outermost electron. That one very important student. The calculation of valence electron is very important. So in generally I will tell you, if you don't know, if you are getting very confusing how to calculate the valence electron, go for that. I will take scandium first. 21 electron. 21 is the electron atomic number. Means first shall consist of 8, 2 electron. Next will be 8 electron. Next will be how many? 8 electron. Means 10. Next you see here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Next 3s2. Yes, right? Here next will be 8 electron. Next electron will be 8. After that how many electrons will be left here? 2, 8, 10, 18. 18 means in 21 means there are 3 electrons. Therefore this scandium belongs to 21 electron. 21 is consists of valence electron, is will be 3. Therefore this all valence electron means in scandium we are writing scandium electron configuration argon 3d1 4s2, they are the valence electron. Just now I think one mistake I done. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್. 3d1 4s2. ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಯಂ, ಓಕೆ ಸಾರಿ ಏನಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು. ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಯಂ 3, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಯಂ 3, ಟೈಟಾನಿಯಂ 4, ಟೈಟಾನಿಯಂ vanadium, like this will be continue. Scandium 3, 4, 5, 6 it will be continue. Okay, they are the valency electron d-students. Okay, in this way we have to practice the valence electron. Thank you for watching my video. Please share and subscribe.